recorded for quality assurance and training purposes. Your continued participation in this session will be considered as express consent to be monitored.
Yes, him look nice, but him very slow. Why would you let somebody pull in a mess like this when you have your business? You're just God just bless you. Man, pause. Jonah, God just bless you back not even 5 months ago. You come and you are broke and hungry and God bless you back. God bless you. It might be a local DoorDash business in your house where nobody don't know about. You buy back your little car for $5,000 a week. I go to the Subaru. Remember me stump on the phone with you. Insurance, me help you get insurance and all that. And when you see your phone, I come bring me down with blood clot that you want even up in a Trev space, because Trev can't teach you how to do the scamming things them. And how to replicate the system, my love, and make business all kind of sitting over it, my love. This is the stuff where Trev teach you how to manipulate and replicate. You and Trev come like China. I'm going to help me help the little boy when named Junior. You come to New York hungry in your birthday last year. Carry out for your birthday, do your hair treat. Me groom your dog. I don't know what me do for you. As a text me, I say, Oniel, me I look, give me your phone bill, me pay for $400 drunk. Give me your phone bill, you come, know, if you're young and you come on a big man like me and you go say a boom, we're going to make you suffer. Then why sense of you we doing no fuckery about fuck? What is sense of we doing any fucking business? Me and you fuck hey, the man I go through all the phase, you know. Me I go help you. Me help out the man I look on my birthday. Remember when I hear your birthday, you know? Me deal with you nice. And for my birthday in a box with girl I bring me down. When the bottom man can't see him, I don't like you know. Tell you boss, I do apologize for the inconvenience, but I don't want to. To be honest, I know Cuba's long time. I watch her, I would give her all of these things. I'm no problem with her before. I just can't but I've got face up to she right now with all the things that I say. To be honest, so I just left that alone and just move on. My apology, Q boss. I mean no intended problem with you and your son. They might bring me down. I know your son go over there, so I bring them back everybody. Tikki, tell me about your son going over there to take the out. So I just call up everybody name. Because they might bring me down and I'm here alone. You think I know they might beat me in America? I don't know why they might beat me. I must show me look good. Because they will be...
I'm calling in regards to an online store that you guys have on the platform. I'm calling to report.
We'll find a way and get Cuba's number and call her and apologize and talk to her. I don't want to switch up on the media anymore. Leave it with it.
Yeah, because the store is not operated like literally a business.
Because it don't look good.
Inside of our apartment.
Especially the money on TikTok and our son and call up in our germs of business like that. It don't look good. So we'll find a way to get her number and call her and apologize to her and keep it moving. I don't want this stretch over nowhere. Because if I go up and I say more people, more stretch out. I don't, no. We're going to focus on Juna, the ugly one named Tikki, and the next stretch out one that look like a sponge named Trev.
Okay, do you know the name?
Yeah, the name of the store is called Junior Edge. JREDGE. Yes, they're running an illegal operation.
As me wake up this man, my car DoorDash again. As me wake up my car DoorDash this morning, I'm not play with a girl. And they try me to call them again. The business up to lock down.
Junior Edge. JREDGE.
Me help all of them.
I can give you the address for
the only somebody me not help. And I did help Trev.
Okay, yeah.
I help Trev too. You see when Trev when the ice cream shop locked down at Queens because them couldn't pay the rent, I used my vehicle and went over there and helped them to move some of their stuff from that store. No girl can call Target for me. I'm my own boss. What about them? I'm my own boss, baby. I don't work for y'all. I tell you what I want to tell you, say, baby. I'm my own boss. I don't work for Blood Clag, y'all. You see? The name stay as it is. Oniel Farrell and Galloway LLC. You understand? A couple survey ticket me have well, me can open up any amount of business. Me no work for y'all Blood Clot. Me no work for y'all. Me no work for y'all. See the Oniel Farrell? Me no work for y'all. This is a whole document. Well, legal. No y'all even pay can't use me name. See what on where I call up my name for rape? Oniel Farrell is an LLC. And when me ready for soon for my brand owner and mash up. God go be where and we do know my love. Our TikTok I go feel it so. But just check out my options. Cause I have to be rich in America one way or the other. Yeah. Destiny, you not get no clout. Yes, so Destiny, go and go look for your clout from Damon. And Damon take your clout. Black, dead dog. When you are run over here, nobody never give you a problem, Destiny. Move. No, I'm my main page, I'm my backup page, sir. Destiny, I'm making a rain again. Go ahead. Hold on there. Cause see me go cut the voice down now. What my block her? Moderator find her and block her for me there. Moderator and block her for me there. When I like to enter, I'm gonna hear Batman and mix up when I run and come. Destiny you fall off. And I'm gonna make you fall off Destiny that man here. Go beat the man for your cloth and leave me alone, lady. Destiny, you was the hottest thing around here. Go ahead, now come get no start up. I'm not give you a jump start for your battery. Your car dead and your car go stay dead. A jump start share look. Kind of bad now look on Destiny. Destiny no walk and cuss. The dead, the blind, the boys and the girls. The girls I'm done with you. And the girls them time now. When you get on a rainy day, make a next girl rain fall upon the next girl house now. Jamaica can't stop her first. Go lock up Destiny if you stuck her brotherhood. Murder! Why? I'm not play it again. When she fuck with me, I play this song. When I walk and just trouble people, so you have to come for we. For we come out, come mash you up. Yeah. Junior, may I call the business later on again? Destiny, let's have a report to Huntsby police station. Dead dog. But you come over here. We don't want to see a woman empire tired of you. You're the only thing running so right now where everybody just up on the back chair. You know see? Destiny you fall right off. Not even off, you fall under. Eh? No, me arrest Junior till later. Cause Destiny enter the chat now. Destiny, what you want from me? Destiny, what you want from me, Destiny? You know the funniest thing when Destiny the America, you know, nothing I go on fair, you know. Me carry food, go give Destiny much time. And Destiny, if you reach back in Switzerland, I walk around everybody and I tell lie upon people. Destiny, I pray that I never chat the language in Switzerland. I pray that I never catch the language over there. And I pray that after 5 years, them send you home because you don't know the language. I pray that I never learn Switzerland. I pray that I want the language and speak Dutch. I pray that you never understand Dutch. I pray that your tongue may not. I go speak patois till the day you're crumbling in Switzerland. Because you're the only girl in a foreign and can't speak foreign language. A 3 language me speak, baby. 3. And at 7 years, I live in Panama, I speak Spanish good. I only live at on the brag. Oh, Switzerland is the best place on the earth. And you can't speak. It's the language where you live. You can't speak German.
The official language of the United States is English.
By the way, I
have a new notification. Do you want to hear it?
No, I don't nobody hear my business because I use the customer tell me. Just lock your mouth. You hear, Alexa? If you ever read a message, there's some you have things. Come in ask you about for read out no notification, but if you have for read notification, tune off. I only make girl catch girl business sometimes I use rub girl. Alexa, play notification. Cry.
Good afternoon, Safaril. One new notification.
What's she saying now?
For Safaril, from your follow updates. Prince Harry update. Prince William fuming about a strange...
Alexa, stop. Come think you're going to tell me a reminder for go check up your... Come on, find out what we make me... You know what for eat or drink for stop shit? Cause all of them boy I love them ever talk about and I get and them not talk about and them will match up from them young my love. Destiny, every time I dance I sing I'm gonna get tired. Girl, go blood clot look for Damien. Cause I come from blood clot Guyana and I'm gonna take your clout. You need to friend man take your clout, Destiny. The girl I'm done with you. The girl I'm done with the friend man take your clout, girl. Nobody no run it up as a Destiny. Destiny, nobody them say one Destiny again. I be a 2 me I see. Eh? I be a 2 me I see. Nobody say one Destiny. Do the dance again. And I know a man named Donkey. And him named Destiny. Everybody know. Bumba clot. I never know say I saw the song sweet. Eh? I never know. You see when the song come on, I never want to go on it, you know. Because I never want nobody come class me. But you class me, I never jump on the trend, so I jump on it now. I never go on the trend, Destiny. Yeah, that's like I may never have nothing them time there. Eh? When you come ramp up, I'm going to post the song because people, she hate the song. And that's one thing I do in this world. I make nobody know when sitting by the blood clot, yo. Come on, come talk, but don't make people know say it bad, yo. Destiny, that song, yeah. That's one next problem. She want to be like, Ivan, you see? But anyway, chat, we're gonna close out the bagger and we're gonna come back later on. Me not stop till junior business lockdown. Me have to make you feel it. You don't disgrace me or so-called disgrace me, I make you feel it. And guys, if you don't go by Destiny Live and show what they class me, are two things she gonna come with. She gonna come with a news article where me don't know from Adams. I'm gonna listen to the news article. My boy, I'm full of my light details. When I listen to information, I'm gather details. Me not listen to noise. In the last part of the video, when the video I play, me hear the newsman say, the people from that community painted a picture of a gruesome burglary. Me know someone don't understand what painted mean. Me know someone don't understand what gruesome mean. Someone just don't understand certain terms and literacy when it comes down to English language. So una go listen for the patois. Yes, about him and himself for the pit. No. Go and listen to the clip that Destiny is playing. That clip did not say anything about nobody raping anybody. TikTok, sorry about that. The clip never said nothing about no rape and killing nobody. It said the people from that community. Them come up with the assumption that these kids get boogered. Me not hear the news say nothing about Oniel, Pharrell, Galloway, nobody. They don't even said who did nothing to those kids. So Destiny, play the video and make the people them listen. Stop talk. And tell them to listen keenly. Me like people who understand English. Because English is very hard to understand. And someone who don't understand, who don't speak about, who don't understand the depths of English. And the analytics of English. Who only listen for just fuckery. Me listen for facts and details. As some I'm pass my English in America when I go to my GED. Facts and details. You can't read one passage, my love, and you only read the passage and take out the part them where you want to hear. Listen to the whole light, analyze and listen. Alright guys, so big up on a nice clean self. So anything where Destiny want to come and tell Destiny if you got beard and go buy a new face. Because if you never look at a donkey, the man who sing song pie and the song hit. Because you literally look like a donkey for true. You literally look like a donkey for true. So the song that I got mad up for life. Because if me looking at the mirror, I swear, hee-haw. And then man go make song for me born I go feel fuck up. I go feel fuck up. The song take you off of the map, man. The song take you off of the map and then hear about nobody can cancel her. Hear Destiny coming on me. People, when them want me, them find me no man coming on my WhatsApp. Them ever call my phone. The girls them lonely. Hold on there. Watch out. Destiny unblock me again. Look, you see what me I talk about? Watch Destiny on my blood clot WhatsApp. Watch Destiny. Watch Destiny. You see them some time and batty boy. I think I'm going to phone. Watch Destiny on my WhatsApp. Watch Destiny in my blood clot WhatsApp. Destiny, please be careful of this person if you are in the Bronx. Girl, you're there blood clot Switzerland. Watch her. Please be careful of this person in the Bronx. If you're in the Bronx, New York, he's going around and giving boys HIV. Be careful. Destiny, if you did the America right now, you get locked up. You have to stay from far and put things on the media. That's why you're not going to get no papers in Switzerland and you're not going to speak the Switzerland language because you're not a part of this world. Go on at the field, you're a wild animal. You know, if you deserve to talk. And that's why God make you like this. And stop send blood clottings for my number, Destiny. I'm going to look for your next number which text me off. I'm going to play the voice and I'm going to hear. You see them torment? Destiny, me just block you. No man find me, no man text me on WhatsApp. Write up anything you want to write up. Me and my man, we're clean like a Jesus slippers. So anything you want to write up, you write up, baby. We have to bring down people with false prophet and false allegation. Them say what talk about. Them have to make up things. You don't have to make up things no blood clot. You go up on my page and screenshot on the boy picture. You're so lame. That's why them cancel you. Destiny, that's why them cancel your Destiny. Cause nothing about you. Cause you feel like bringing down people every day. Love is an in thing. Destiny.
Bob beat me bad. Which girl can't beat me bad? Ivan of them can't beat me bad. Girl, we are calling girl. Not to call the girl.
So them call me and them send me them advice. So I just save them. Cause I'm not trouble people who never catch me advice. Don't do not call the number.
They come out with penny arguments to me and cause penny and that's still no blood clot. You know me a legend.
When you listen to her, she's a legendary. When we cancel her. Cancel her more.
The blood clot is you put on a match, an official match. Me and you and Tikki.
Me and you go play a match until you come back skirt and ear up for me. Well, I'm going to play it over. I'm Destiny. I'm not playing a match with you because I'm in a blood clot hungry. But me and her and Tikki for play a match and we'll cuss. Cuss who? You're crazy. If I'm going to put myself to them deplorable, pathetic condition there, you're going to be absurd. Crazy. Me
Boy,
find a man so
me
custody
bad.
of the
Which
top
girl can't beat me bad? I
Come
want to
down,
beat
cut
me
my
bad. Girl,
wrist.
we are calling girl, not to call the girl blood clot name. Damien come out with that song and that's still no blood clot on away.
That song them mash up Destiny.
Arguments me I call spitting and that's still no blood
Your
clot
cuss
on away.
people pay shit.
There no blood.
Well, I want to know
clot
for hear, you
cancel
know. You see, me I chat over Uno, so Uno not got hear. I want to know for listen. Listen to key details when people talk, listen to facts. Me go come off, you know. One quick, me restart my life real fast. Me not end the life, me just go restart my life real fast. Me not end the life, me just go restart. I want to report the page, me go click live on the next page. I have 5 pages, me I want the whole 5 of them active. Me have 5 pages Destiny and the whole 5 of them active. When I go live, the people them I'll find me same. With Destiny your time than my time now. I make use of it now. Me make use of it. Don't help me fuck up my time, please. Me just enjoy my time. When I get phone now, when I get phone time on TikTok, when I get on TikTok, I brag about views. When I get to the time, I get mine and say I can't make a little use of it. Me say I can't find my way with mine. I don't want to get distracted and walk across to the people and say, oh, me fuck me tired of him now, man. I go about my business. When I get phone time, I no cuss, we never do no content, we never get the people no joke, we never come out and give them a story time, we just cuss till people say, fuck she, I gotta listen to these things.
Boy beat me bad. Which girl can't beat me bad? I one of them can't beat me bad. Girl, we are calling girl, not to call the girl blood clot name. Damien come out with that song and that's still no blood clot gone away. Them come out with penny arguments.
Yo, breakfast, come.
Still no blood clot gone away. Me a legendary no blood clot. No girl can cancel me. No girl. If you come to the blood clot, you say put on a match, an official match. Me and you and Tikki, no can blood clot beat. And the whole internet know that.
I try to build up back our page. Match.
Move your dirty blood clot and go away. You and Tikki are one germs and drunk or don't mix me down a blood clot argument. Where? Then sending me donkey song, oh that go bother me. That can't do nothing to me. That cannot hurt me. Like,
girl, it does.
You saying things like that? You can get canceled on TikTok.
Girl,
belief.
the girls I'm gonna make one video, my love. But them claim to say me analyze people pitney and what have you. This something where them put up is like them remix it in our audio something. Upon the last part, you hear screw, you know when you dance and keep on the man and mix the tape and he goes if you pull up his song I saw the tape so maybe I play it up without clock, I'm in a mascot. Go for the police. And guys, I'm in America. I'm not go to Jamaica for now, I'm not no reason down there, I'm a batty boy. But I already plan to do this. I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna say I buy it off of Amazon. But since them out there spread rumors for my name, me plan me go up online because I say I want to get my police record from Jamaica. I want to get my police record from Jamaica. So I make sure I go online and I search the requirement and I find all the requirement them. How to get them. I even do my fingerprint, 2 passport size picture. Ticket, blah blah blah. That I think is known as so. Foreign national with TRN. Me have a TRN, so I can use a TRN. I need to pay the fee. I need to submit all the documents them, and then them will look about the police record and send it come give me. I want to see what them put on my name in Jamaica. When me don't know about one on the internet has spread. And you see when me get that letter from Jamaica with my background, criminal background, but if I have one, then and there I'm gonna get an attorney. I'm gonna get a cease and desist letter. And then when we get the cease and desist letter now, if it don't work, me have to end up sue. Or me have to sue. Me don't want to sue them girls because them girls don't have no money for payment, but me probably go sue TikTok and Instagram or YouTube wherever these videos are posting up about me because these are not real information. If the information and when them spread upon me real, I don't have a problem with it. But why would you be spreading this information on people and you having these information stored on the web? So when me, like y'all can come and come pull up for them and come use it cost me. Me not like that. So me, I go sue home if it sue me love. If it work, it work. If it don't work, it work. But I make sure I get the right part first. When I go to, come I go show them I spend money. Cause I not go sue somebody I'm not spend. So I have to show the judge say, hey, this cost me for run up and down for prove this and for prove that. So guys, just look out for it. I go make sure I get my police record from Jamaica cause that not gonna lie. The police record not going to lie. And I hope when I come and I put it on the web, I say I go buy it off Amazon or I make it. A matter of fact, I go come post the receipt, the fingerprint receipt and all of these things. Cause I tell you, I defame my character, my love. It's not like I'm out here I beg or I'm rich or I have nothing where I to stop in a life. I just live regular like uno. And every day I come, I put things for my name, especially Destiny. Destiny, if you did the America, I don't know what me that do, but girl, I would have done something to you. Because you are the one who started this Destiny. And you know, come tell them why them beat you up in a capture land because you suck your brother out. Me not gonna cause the rest of people and me come tell me so because the Destiny come out with it. One person named Jermaine will literally have a pedophile charge in America for true. Yeah, cause me did that with one boy and them that argue with him and tell him about AIDS and I'm gonna dig up Jermaine name and find Jermaine pedophile charge pa Google. If you go type in Destiny, come tell the truth. Cause you spread rumors for me and I tell him the truth. Tell him say Jermaine come spread rumors for me and tell him go type in Jermaine name. Well, I got a person come spread rumors for me, I go type in his name in a Google. And as somebody carrying business come tell me and me give my ex for cussing blood clot and he gonna make big news for him radio station and tell the people them say me I this and me I that and that's how Destiny start run with it from this so Jerome Orlando Gordon. Destiny don't know nothing about me. People she hear with it and she run with it because it's a dead and gone long time, love. Hold on. Hold on there. Let me just show you who is Jerome Orlando, Jerome Orlando Gordon. Sex offender. See there? See there's a type in Germany name, you see everything. See there? State of Florida versus Garden, Jermaine Orlando. So I'm going to type in my name and ask them something that come up. Other man has spread the rumors for me. The man here, see there? All different type of charge him have for molestation of foreign. I come online and him disrespect my ex and I gave my ex him business and my ex cuss him and tell him. And that's when Jermaine gone out come have a radio station. He sit on the radio station and fabricate these things about me. And the day when him fabricate the things, him get because him come America come get involved in him have sex with underage and get in a problem. And I found out and I spread it. I'm a cuss my ex and tell my ex have AIDS. And the day when Jermaine robbed me out, Destiny was over there in a Jermaine box. That's where Destiny got this from. And from ever since that day, Destiny not stop run with it. Destiny stop run with it. And Destiny Jermaine get 9 years in a Florida prison because him left from New York and him go Florida and him never report say him move from New York with him charge him when him have on him. Because when you have them charge there, when you have those kind of, I don't want to say the word and then go ban your life. When you have them kind of business they are going on the system where your name in the system for liking younger people, you have to register it everywhere you move to. They have to know that you are that kind of offender. So Jermaine move never report himself and Jermaine get locked up. 9 years in there Florida now. In there Florida right now I do prison work. 9 years him get probably 3-4 months ago. And Destiny, when Jermaine get the 9 years in a prison, I send you the article. I send Destiny the article. I say Jermaine got a prison here. Jermaine got prison for one reason because you come spread lies for me. And if you sound of the day I find you no go to prison too. You no go to prison to Destiny, you go to prison if you come talk the truth. How it start, how this argument you spread for my name. Because Destiny are going to know something about me. Talk how it go. Jermaine come out and disrespect my ex as my ex have AIDS. And I go up on Google and go dig up Jermaine and I'm going to find out Jermaine have this unnecessary charge in New York. And I gave it to Jav for cuss him. And when Jav cuss him, he felt so embarrassed and ashamed. He went and go make article about me. And Destiny got that on the same day when Jermaine over there chat. And Destiny have it I use up from 2022. Destiny have it. Every chat me chat, Destiny use it against me. Every chat me chat, Destiny come out with tape and send him come play and say I'm me. Destiny tell them how you got that so-called unredundant, unrelevant information. You know, wicked. Destiny have something sit down and use a cuss me where other girl use cuss me from 2022 and I come out and make it look like say something where she know about me personally. Because them hear it from Destiny, them so them are gonna run with it. Them are gonna run with it, my love, because them don't know nothing about me, so them feel like, oh, in order for make nobody on social media no look on him, in order for make him feel shame, in order for make him go to one look side, go curl up, I could tell him them grind can kill people, because that's the worst thing in the world where a person can do. And it is one of the worst thing. Nobody want to hear that our next human being molest and fuck up a little child. That's just wrong. So I look for the worst things to put on my name. I say, true, I know if I make up them fabulous lie upon people, I don't know what to find for put on, you know. Because our phone not work, it might not work out, me I go do it, my love, because I don't know if to tell lie like, you know. And I know no girl now go come sex with me for coming in my box, comes to them, no, you know. And what I want to do in the past. Them now go do it. And when I look on it, well, I don't know why I'm going to box and sex with girl and tell lie upon me like, you know something about me. If I did rape and kill, if I did rape and kill people at Jamaica, I only get 2 visas in my book. I have to sit down and wait until me say the Mexico border help me come through with every girl. I don't come through Mexico, baby. I did ban for there, 2 visas I have in my book. So all you get them, all you left Jamaica with them the heavy charge upon your head and the embassy give you 2 visas. Guys, to my bless, me get a 1 entry visa, I'm gonna come to America for 2 days and go back home on it. Confident when me young. Confident. So I'm get a 1 entry visa 2014 and go back to Jamaica and them telling me that come seek asylum because me have threat them want to kill me. If me not sit down and talk my life, no girl can come judge me and talk with enough to talk. In order for me talk, me have to sit down and talk to Uno. The rumors them when them are spread when me talk, we will fill out the bracket and the spaces them and then we all come to understanding that these people are just lying. And them not lie forget fame or clout. Cause them already have the crowd up here, my look. Once them start screaming and cuss, I make nice them and get crowd. So oh you go one want from me. One want for the defame my character, one want for to mash me up. See what's around this still like there. I hold up a batty man me help. I never come out of it, I never look fuck from them. Ask them. So one of them they want me help. Randy they in Amsterdam how much years than young people them. Ask them if I never beg them crutches. Ask him if I never beg them crutches. My boy Randy still have tickets, send him a foreign. When him young, send him a foreign go make blood clot life. Right now I what? I don't know what language in speak now. So Randy still there and me buy ticket thing go away. Back in the days them. Never fuck the little girl here. From flanker. Whole pa girl me help. I never beg them the crutches no way. So I know if me I walk a help and them have big people could have them pony. I'm never beg them grind yet, yo. Them say them want help and I have the money and I help them. Cause them tell them I have my money, I'm rich. I have my dirty money, because I get anybody when I want. And when them ask me for help, I help them, ask them. I will pack girl, I say, you know in that foreign how much girl I get visa? You know what I'm calling him? Kirky. Kirky went on transmission. Me make Kirky get her visa. Rat. I remember Rat there foreign. Tiffany. Me make Tiffany get visa. All of them I get them, I'm pick up off a road of them parents, put them out on the road, them I know where to me take them in. Never beg them crutches yet. Rogel, me help Rogel too. Buy ticket to come and find. Chicken. Whole heap of girl me help no blood clot. About 30 years Batman me get visa before me even know say bad did exist. Me get opportunity, I give the Batman them opportunity, me never make them suffer. Cause while we young, while we used to par. So when me get my break up, me help all of my friend them. All of them make reach America. Me none of my friend them come through bad. With the America a long time. Long time my friend them I do it big. But guess what? Some people burn them bridge, like our Tiffany and Rat. Them turn against me. Them turn against me because the girls in America cost me. Them never stay by my side. The girls them I spend my money for and I make them reach a foreign. Oh, them turn them back for me. And I do